people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna make dog seed flour. This is my first time and I gathered some dog seeds. The seeds are really little. They are very tiny and you can see this sort of fluff. You can keep it on luckily for extra fiber, otherwise it would be quite tedious. I've seen so many videos, people making flour with it, and I got inspired too. So I have to try. And what I'm gonna do, I dried the seeds, but I'm gonna put them in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes to release nice nutty flavor and really make sure they are evenly dried. And then I let it dry and just put it through a food processor. I think I will be pulsing it, but if you've got like a coffee grinder or whatever, you can do it this way as well. Or you can try the old-fashioned method. Here I am. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the nature so you know what to collect. And as you can see, it can be really tall. So try to find a spot where you can collect quite a few of them, but make sure you leave something behind for the Mother Nature so it can propagate itself again. And as you can see, they are nice and dry. Happy foraging and flour making. And they are really easy to strip off. If you'd like to use it for baking, you will need to mix it with another flour because otherwise it's not gonna rise on its own. I've seen some recipes for pancakes and they just made it from this flour on its own. But obviously the texture will be different, so I can't wait. And I don't think I've got plenty of seeds. I will be looking out for more. Now it was really raining. We had quite a raining season in UK, so it's not really good to pick up anything. Let's make some flour. Ready, steady, oven ready. In it goes. Okay, I let it in the oven for 5 minutes only, and now I'm gonna let it cool down and then let's do some mixing. This is nicely cooled off now, and this is how much I've got. So as you can see, not much, so I'm expecting tiny little amount, but even though it will make me happy, so let's see how it goes. And that's it. This is how much I've got from one baking tray. As you can see, it's not much, so I would advise to gather as much as you can and make it in batches. But this was my first trial and I'm really happy, so I'm gonna mix it with something, and I think I will have pancake or something like that. I can't wait. Let me know in the comments below, how do you use dog seeds flour yourself? Have you got any recipes to share? Please let me know. I am really curious, and we can try some tasty recipes. I'm always so pleased when I've got something from wild and mix it in my cooking. It gives me different experience. I hope you find it useful. Please share with your friends and family. Spread some love. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Please leave me some comments. And that's all from me. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.